Hey everyone, Vlad here. I'm excited to announce that I'll be speaking at TechCon 365 Chicago this June 15th to 19th at the beautiful McCormick Place. I've got a full day workshop plus 2 sessions, so let me quickly walk you through them, and if you stay until the end, I'll show you how you can save $200 off your registration. First up, on Monday, I'm running an all-day workshop called Become a Microsoft 365 Agent Builder, no code required. We'll break down what makes agents different from traditional chatbots. We'll build agents in SharePoint, experiment with the Agent Builder, and unlock the full capabilities of Copilot Studio. By the end of the day, you'll have the skills to start creating agents that deliver real business value without writing a single line of code. Then on Wednesday, I've got SharePoint Advanced Management 2026 Deep Dive. We'll explore what's new in SAM for 2026, from securing your tenant for Copilot and AI-driven scenarios to governing SharePoint agents and streamlining site lifecycle management. And on Thursday, I'm presenting AI-powered document processing in Microsoft 365. This is all about the AI features that you can start using right away. Autofill columns, OCR, automatic image tagging, document translation, and many more. Now, like promised, I also have a promo code for you to use. Use the code VLAD200, all in one word, so VLAD200 at the registration page to save $200 on your pass. So here's how it works, because it can be tricky. On the registration page, you'll see a promo code field right near the top, just below the email address. Type in VLAD200 there, then select the pass that you want and hit continue. On the next page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the $200 discount has already been applied. I'll drop the registration link in the description below, and I hope I'll see you in Chicago.